Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another interesting video. ElectroPixels. See friends, today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Samsung Smart LED TV. As you can see in this TV, the complaint picture upside down problem. See, this is the fault in this TV. We can repair this fault using the Samsung service remote, or by press standby info menu, mute standby button simultaneously on remote. It helps to enter in Samsung TV service mode. We can solve it by entering to the factory mode. See friends, finally we entered in service mode. Follow these steps to solve this. Just watch the complete video for more details. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.